You know, at Ebates.ca, you get money for shopping online. Crazy, right? Let me break it down for you. First of all, signing up for Ebates.ca is free. All you need is an email address. And once you've signed up, visit the Ebates.ca website to browse all the stores. Click the red Shop Now button to be taken to that store's website. Wondering how it's possible? Well, like any other shopping site, Ebates gets a commission from the stores that you shop at. But this time, they share a part of that commission with you. You can enjoy even more savings with coupons, deals, and promo codes. There are new updates every day, so check often. You can also search for coupons by category, such as free shipping, free gifts, exclusive, and parent-approved deals. The combination of cashback and coupons makes Ebates irresistible. You can also download the Ebates app and earn even more savings on your mobile. For more information, visit ebates.ca, that's E-B-A-T-E-S.ca.